Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So itong reading na ito for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Or if you want astrological reading, I do have promo ito ngayon 1,500 astrological reading, tas may kasama na siyang tarot advice. By the way, matagal po yung inaabot ng reading, 1 hour mahigit. So, if you want to book a reading, mag-email ka na lang sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Okay, so, until end of August lang siya available because I do have a busy schedule. Start na natin ang reading. Water sign. Love reading for water sign. What do we have here for water sign? Okay, I feel good already. Punta na tayo sa iyong reading, water sign. What do we have here for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? 2 of Cups. The Strength card. Sa person na kakonect mo. Eight of Wands and the 4 of Pentacles. Situation sa inyong dalawa or connection ninyo. You do have here kisses. So, nakita tayo ng connection, relationship, partnership sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. The Strength card is showing us matibay na connection, relasyon sa kanya. Kung wala kang kakonect ngayon, this is not your reading because I can clearly see a connection, love between the two of you. Nitong person na to. Mukhang pera nga lang yung person mo. With the 4 of Pentacles, nakafocus siya sa kanyang money, sa savings niya. Maybe this person is, thinking about mga kautangan, anong dapat bayaran, anong dapat bilhin muna, anong dapat something to do with money. And pwedeng with the 8 of Wands, maybe something to do with family. Okay? Maybe with the Judgment, this is showing us opening up. So, pwedeng may pag-open up sa inyo ng person na to. Like, if you are in a relationship, pwedeng opening of a bank account together because maybe of a child, or if not, kung hindi kayo magkarelasyon, I can see a beautiful connection sa inyo because you could be dealing with your soulmate and nakakita tayo ng growth sa connection na ito. Okay, maybe yung iba sa inyo, if you're having separation with the soulmate, maybe it has something to do with a child, nagkakaroon ng separation because of a child, or nagkakaroon ng limitasyon with the palm tree dahil sa home, house, or stability, or career. Nakakita tayo dito ng natatapos na unti-unti yung karma sa connection or nagpapahirap sa connection ninyong dalawa, because the Judgment, this is like an opening of doors. I don't know, but I can see 1111, angel number. So maybe that is an opening of doors or new beginning sa connection ninyong dalawa. So ano bang nararamdaman ninyo? Bukod sa pagmamahalan, or you love this person loves you, ano pa ang nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa currently, or mga nasa isipan ninyo sa isa't isa? Spirit guys, angel guys, for the sign of water sign. Soulmate and mask. Oh. Emotion ng taong ito towards you. Palm tree is here, and also keys on a ring. And ano yung mutual energy sa inyong dalawa? You could be dealing with a twin flame. Yan, mirror is here. This is a twin flame energy. And also, twin flame is at the bottom of the deck. So you could be dealing with a twin flame. Axe is here. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. This could be a twin flame connection. This could be a twin flame or a soulmate or a person in the past. Okay. Nakita natin with the mask na maaaring hindi mo ipinapakita sa kanya kung anong totoo sa sarili mo or sa emotion mo. Maybe with the soulmate, this is your soulmate. Alam mo na soulmate mo siya, ramdam mo na soulmate mo siya, destiny kayo, whatever. And I feel like nagkakaroon ka ng clarity doon. Especially with the judgment at the bottom of the deck kanina. Pwede nagkakaroon ka ng clarity. You are now seeing the reality or the connection, the spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. No? With the mirror, now you're mirroring each other. Nakita tayo ng maybe separation na maaaring kayo lang mismo sa sarili ninyo ang gumagawa. Especially if you're twin flame, honestly, the twin flame connection is a single soul. So, parang illusion lang yung separation sa isa't isa. Because spiritually, you are still connected. You're not separated. Diba? Hindi naman kayo nagkahiwalay. Hindi naman nagkaroon ng separation. Separation sa ano lang yun. Sa katawan or sa itsura nila. Sa kanya-kanya ninyong buhay, but then yung spirit ninyo is, or yung soul ninyo is still one. Some of you, this is a twin flame connection. High chance, guys. Ang lakas ng energy ng soulmate or twin flame connection dito. Keys on a ring is here, so ang nasa isip ng person mo ngayon, nabanggit ko naman na ito may kinalaman sa pera. Maybe it has something to do with the decision ng mga bagay na kailangan niyang i-open or ayusin or balikan na pwedeng may kinalaman sa kanyang stability. Especially with the palm tree, this is a sign for something very stable na pwedeng may kinalaman yun sa kanyang career or sa kanyang home. So nakita tayo ng something na i-open, bubuksan, or desisyon na gagawin regarding that matter. Yun ang nasa isip niya. Some of you, yun ang nasa isip mo dati. Ngayon, nabaliktad. Siya ang nag-iisip ngayon na may kinalaman sa stability or sa kanyang career. I feel like you really do love this person and that you want na magkaroon ng agreement or partnership sa inyong dalawa. Yung pagmamahal mo dito sa person na ito is might be na-realize mo nito lang na nagkaroon ng separation or because of the drama na nangyari in the past or sa situation mo ngayon. So, nandun yung realization coming from you. Or yun nga, pwedeng sa ending na nangyari sa inyo. If ever there's an ending, separation na nangyayari, maaaring dito mo na-realize na mahal mo pala siya. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong connection, water sign? You do have your hand of cards, guys. Twin flame is also here again. Lumabas na naman. You do have your girl with the snake, coffee cup, and what is the mutual energy for water sign? You do have here girl talk. Oh, yeah. There's a communication in the near future, guys. Alam mo, hindi na ako nagtataka kasi nga may Mercury retrograde na nagaganap eh. Mercury retrograde is about pagbabalik ng connection from the past. Pagbabalik ng whatever in the past na yung iba pwedeng, kung ano man ang placement ng Mercury sa iyong natal chart. Be sure to check your natal chart. But, because, nagkakaroon tayo ng Saturn retrograde, Neptune retrograde, Chiron retrograde, Mercury retrograde, sabay-sabay ngayon, August. Ang tapos ng Mercury retrograde is August 28 pa. Pwedeng may mga communication, connection in the past ang mababalik. And with the Hand of Cards, I can see you taking the chance, taking the risk. This could be you na magte-take ng risk in with regards sa pakikipag-connect sa person na ito. With the Twin Flame, yeah. Maybe dahil na-realize mo na siya ang Twin Flame mo, you will do your, you will do your best to, at I do feel like connection mababalik, pero yung showing of emotions, hindi ko pa nakikita dito, but I can still see you taking the chance, taking the risk na makipag-connect or makipag-communicate sa person na ito. Because you want to have fun. You want to know kung okay ba siya, kung masaya ba siya. With the girl with the snake, you're dealing with a person in the future na pwedeng may other connections or may other people na nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng boundaries sa inyong dalawa. Maybe may mga bagay na tao or sitwasyon na mangangailangan sa person mo na magiging dahilan. But I can see a beautiful communication, connection sa inyong dalawa. No? And yun nga, pwedeng you're dealing with a person who will be more busy in the near future pagdating sa kanyang work or career, or pagdating sa pakikipag-connect niya sa iba. Like maybe a child or mga tao na mangangailangan sa kanya. But the Coffin is showing as a new beginning sa connection ninyo. There's a new beginning. Kung ano man ang mag-i-end dito, maybe it has something to do with shadow work. So, kung tapos ka na sa paggawa or yung person mo, both of you ay natapos na dito sa shadow work. Shadow work is something na hindi mo ma-accept sa sarili mo. Maybe it has something to do with the past. Maybe something to do with mga bagay na tinatago mo kasi nahihiya kang sabihin or ipakita. After you have done this, after you have learned how to accept yung shadow mo, na marirealize mo na kung ano ka ngayon, yun ay dahil sa shadow mo. Kung ano yung mga achievements mo ngayon or kung ano meron sa'yo ngayon, it is because nahubog ka niyan dahil hindi pwedeng hindi ka dadaan sa shadow na ito. And once that you have learned how to accept your shadow, there's a new beginning between you and this person. Okay? Especially with the date, this is the new you. This is the new you. And there's a communication sa inyong dalawa. Yung iba sasabihin, nag-chat ako, nakipag-communicate ako, tumawag ako, hindi naman niya ako pinansin. Maybe your person is not yet ready pagdating sa kanyang shadow work. So, yung new beginning, nakikita natin right after the shadow work. And pagdating sa bagay na yun, hayaan mo lang, wag mong pilitin. Just continue on loving this person, especially kung alam mo ay twin flame mo siya, soulmate mo siya, just continue on loving this person. Okay? Because if this is a twin flame, that is also you, that is yourself, na parang minamahal mo rin. Yung iba hindi makaka-relate because this is just a rare kind of connection. Twin flame connections are rare connection, guys. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and please do like and subscribe. Ito ulit yung details. Ipakita ko lang. Screenshot mo na lang. If you want to know kung saan mo mamimit yung future husband and wife mo, ano yung kasi dalawa yan eh. Kung gusto mo mag-focus ako sa reading sa love, I will tell you kung saan mo pwedeng ma-meet yung future and husband and wife mo. And about your natal chart, babasahin ko ito. And ano yung mga effect ng planets sa'yo according sa placement ng planet nung pinanganak ka. And if you want me to focus on your career, ano yung mga bagay or achievements na pwedeng ma-achieve mo, ma-accomplish mo, career na magbe-best suit for you, and ano yung magbibigay ng growth sa'yo and mga taong pwedeng makatulong sa growth mo, I can also read that through your natal chart. That is 1,500 doon. But if you want me to read everything like your natal chart about love and about career, meron akong promo for 3,000. May kasama itong, of course, kasama yung tarot advice and palm reading, pwede. Isama ko yung palm reading. Or kung ayaw mo ng palm reading, pwede naman yung natal chart ng person mo. If you know your person, if you have a person, pwede kong i-read din yung natal chart niya, concentrating on love, kung sino yung person na pwedeng maging future husband and wife niya. And of course, kung ma-match yun sa'yo, you would know if this person is for you. Okay? If this is the one for you. And kung ayaw mo naman ng natal chart, compatibility reading, pwede rin for only 1,500. Dapat alam mo ang details ng person mo, birth time, birthplace, at saka birthday. Yun ang details na hinihingi ko sa'yo at sa person mo. If you want compatibility reading, 1,500. Of course, sasabihin mo kung ano yung gusto mong ma-read. If you want me to concentrate on kung alam mo na ang natal chart mo, ayaw mo na doon ako mag-focus, pwede naman na reading 6 months from now, ano yung mga planets na pwedeng maka-apekto sa'yo. Of course, nagmo-move yung inyong planet. So, bibigyan kita ng example. This is, takpan ko lang yung name. Okay, this is the chart of my client na na-read. Yan, in-explain ko. Pasensya ka na sa mga sulat-sulat kasi explain ko siya. Ito yung planets, and then ito yung planet nung kapanganakan niya, and then yung mga nasa gilid is placement ng planet ngayon. Ngayon, pag didikitin ko to, dahil may effect po yun sa buhay ng tao, sa buhay nyo mismo. So, it's like a horoscope, pero nakafocus mismo sa'yo. Nakafocus sa kung ano ang effect sa'yo ng placement of planets 6 months from now. And that is also for 1,500. So, magkakaiba po yun. So, sasabihin nyo sa akin kung anong gusto nyo pag-focusan natin sa reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.